children, I Mrs. Pathan Afrin Khan welcome you for online studies. Children, we have already completed 5 lessons of maths. Today we are going to see the 6th chapter, that is coins and currency note. So student, what we are going to learn about? We are going to learn about money. I think you all know what is money. If you buy something or you ask your mother for chocolate or pencil or rubber, your mother or father or grandmother gives you money to buy that things. Sound interesting, no? So let's start. Today we are going to learn very important topic which will be very useful in our daily life. So our topic name is coins and currency note. So children, money is a medium of exchange. We use money for buying things. In our country, the unit of money is rupees. We express the Indian money in term of rupees and paisa. So student, paisa is denoted by alphabet P and rupees is denoted by the giving symbol of rupees. So student, all the coins and notes with different denomination are called money. Now we will see some different coins. The coin of 25 paisa, 50 paisa, coin of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. The value of these coins are 1 and 2 rupees. Now next, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. The value of this coin is 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Now children, we will see notes. 1 rupee note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees note. The value of note is 5 rupees. Now 10 rupees note. The value of this note is 10 rupees. Now next 20 rupees note. The value of this note is 20 rupees. Now next 50 rupees note. The value of this note is 50 rupees. Now 100 rupees note. The value of this note is 100 rupees. Now 500 rupees note. The value of this note is 500 rupees note. Now 1000 rupees note. The value of this note is 1000 rupees. Next 2000 rupees note. The value of this note is 2000 rupees note. Now we will solve some exercise, children. Now see, write the total amount, your value in the empty boxes. Now children, already I have given you the value in empty boxes, but then also you are going to count the notes and you are going to tally it. Now see, the first example. There is 500 rupees note, 100 rupees note and 50 rupees note. So children, 500 rupees note plus 100 rupees note plus 50 rupees note, it makes 650 rupees. Now next sum. Now see children, there is 500 rupees note. There are two notes of 100 rupees, means 500 plus 200 rupees note, it makes 700 rupees. Plus 50 rupees note means 750 rupees. And now count the coin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 756 rupees. Now we will see the next example. Now see children, 500 rupees note plus 20 rupees note plus 10 rupees note. So what it makes? 500 plus 20, it makes 520 rupees. Plus 10 rupees note means it makes 530 rupees. Plus 5 rupees coin, it makes 535 rupees. Plus 2 rupees coin, it makes 537 rupees. And 1 rupees coin, it makes 539 rupees. So the total number of rupees are 539 rupees. Now page number 34. Tony, I have 3 notes. Their total value is 75 rupees. Salma, I too have 75 rupees, but I have 5 notes. Tony, how can that be? Tony has these notes. Now we will see, children, that which notes Tony has. Now see, there is one 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 5 rupees note. So the total number of note 50 plus 20, 70 plus 5 is equal to 75 rupees. Now we will see how much notes Salma has. 20 plus 20 plus 20. There are 3 notes of 20 rupees. It makes 60 rupees. 1 note of 10 rupees. It makes 70 rupees. And 1 note of 5 rupees. It makes 75 rupees. So children, what you have seen here, that the notes are different, but their value is same. It means that both Tony and Salma are right. Now we will see the next example. Sanju, I have a 100 rupee note, 4 notes of 20 rupees, 6 coins of 1 rupee each. How much money do I have? Now see children, there is 100 rupees note and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 20 rupees note. So 100 rupees note plus 420 rupees note. It makes 180 rupees. Now how much coins are there of 1 rupee? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 186 rupees. So Raju, you have 186 rupees altogether. Now we will see the last example, children. Anita, I have 4 notes. They are worth 170 rupees altogether. Can you guess which notes I have? Rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 and rupees 10. So count children, how much it makes? 100 plus 50, it makes 150 rupees. 150 plus 10 rupees, it makes 160 rupees. Plus 10 rupees, it makes 170 rupees. Now what you have to do the next? Can we give rupees 170 using 4 notes in any other way? Now what we will do, children? See, we will take 350 rupees note. So 50 plus 50, it will make 100 rupees. Plus 50 rupees note, it will make 150 rupees. And plus 20 rupees note. So the total, how many rupees? 170 rupees. So children, I think you have understood coins and currency very nicely, and your concept of coins and currency is clear. Now today's homework. Now children, you have to solve page number 33 and page number 34 in your textbook only. So goodbye children. Have a nice day.